Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and volume remains strong, definitely above average. So certainly some updates here need to be made. So let's talk about some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support, and this is what I would call one of the the ideal levels that was established after today's price movement, is right here at $2.20. I mean, if the price can stay up above $2.20, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. With that being said, if the price falls below it, by no means does that imply the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything. But yeah, if the price can manage to now stay up above $2.20, that would be a great sign of strength going forward. As I've talked about in the past, and I'm going to talk about again, and I'm going to continue to talk about it, the easiest way to just judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full strength, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yes, staying above $2.20 would be great. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then as I've said in the past, the bulls are in full control and they, fully own the chart 100%. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, seems to be a little short-term area of them right here at $2.30, and if the price can break up through there, next level right up around $2.37. But in my mind, I think if you can get a good, solid, high-volume break of right around $2.30, then there's a great chance that the price will not only go up to $2.37, but then push through there. So I think in my mind, the true quote-unquote level of resistance, like I said, right around $2.30. However, at the end of the day, these resistance levels really don't matter, because as long as the price keeps on chipping away with the higher bases, as the price has already been doing, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows and sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.